Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about why networks are essential for real-time healthcare. And thus, now the healthcare systems around the world have embraced the vision of highly connected, digitally enhanced, patient-driven care. But today, those systems are handling more data than ever before, which is pushing IT operations to their limit. Overcoming the key challenges are reliability, quality of service, security, and scalability. It requires evolving to a real-time healthcare model by using the latest digital and cloud technologies. Clinicians and patients can connect, communicate, and collaborate more effectively. Here, a robust and intelligent private network infrastructure is crucial for transitioning to the new model. By seamlessly interconnecting hundreds of sites, devices, and data sources, it enables healthcare systems to streamline their workflows and gain anywhere, anytime access to data and knowledge that are crucial for improving patient care. Okay, what is going to make real-time healthcare work? Here, the real-time healthcare requires a real-time information and communications for more collaborative, proactive patient care. Second one is to aware and adaptive infrastructure that can automatically sense, direct, and respond to changing patient and physician needs. And we have network and cloud technologies that accelerate innovation and streamline workflows. Together, these elements provide the IT infrastructure for a real-time healthcare system that offers the agility and flexibility to integrate disparate medical network services and applications into a common platform. Here, the clinicians and the healthcare administrators gain greater visibility into their operations and resources, so they can make more timely and better informed decisions that improve quality of care and patient outcomes. Moving to the RTHS model is essential for a large complex healthcare systems with a clinical and a business process that span across hospitals, remote clinics, pharmacies, corporate office, data centers, and we have so many facilities. However, evolving successfully requires a more robust and intelligent network, communications, and management infrastructure, one that can seamlessly integrate all sites, devices, and data sources. Okay, and we have some challenges in healthcare systems. We have challenges like reliability, quality of service, we have security problems, and scalability. Here, the RTHs and the cloud offer greater cost efficiencies and easier access to information and enhanced productivity and collaboration. But healthcare enterprises need to be sure their RTHs and cloud solution can meet they have to meet they can meet strict regularity and compliance requirements for patient data privacy and confidentiality. Okay, therefore the organizations need to more vigilant about which devices are connected to the network and why. They must also be able to proactively detect and act against suspicious activity or any traffic patterns and user activity. All these challenges can be overcome through an adaptable IT infrastructure that is secure, controlled, can scale quickly, and it should be easily respond to changing needs and requirements. Okay. And we have options for rearchitecting network for RTHs and the cloud. Okay. Okay. We have healthcare enterprises can integrate existing network services that connect regional hospitals and healthcare sites with a private brand. They can also use more efficient and cost-effective software-defined WLAN solutions to connect smaller hospitals and community sites, as well as secure internet and mobile applications to enable secure access to healthcare portals, remote monitoring, and telemedicine for patients and healthcare workers in the community. For many healthcare enterprises, building a private WAN that supports a private hybrid cloud can be a strategic investment that supports their information and communications technology strategy. A private WAN implemented with a combination of existing and new networking technologies can help healthcare organizations implement more agile, flexible, and cost-efficient networking solutions while maintaining control and security in the era of RTHs and cloud. We have networks are just the beginning. With a state-of-art network providing this foundation, healthcare organizations can use a wide range of applications such as cloud-based communications, IoT management platforms, and patient care platforms to enhance and extend collaboration and workflows across the entire healthcare system. Okay, and also by implementing this state-of-art networking and virtualization technologies, communications and collaboration solutions, as well as a platform for managing smart devices and patient care, healthcare organizations can evolve their IT infrastructure to support delivery of high quality real-time care. Organizations also gain important operating benefits, including the agility and on demand scalability needed to address new demands and to make the best use of massive data now coming into the healthcare system. Thank you.